Are you thinking about selling your home, but you're nervous that you won't be able to find a replacement property in time and then you'll be homeless? That's an understandable concern. I mean, it is your home and you've got a family, right? I've got good news. There are so many solutions for selling your home and finding you a replacement home simultaneously, even with the low inventory problem that we're having here in New York. Hi, I'm Grace Folias. I'm with Keller Williams Liberty, and this is what I specialize in. I've helped multiple sellers like you over the past year while we've been in this crazy seller's market with obstacles like this and so many other issues. The good news is there are contingencies on your behalf that we could put in to protect you from something like this. We can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon the fact that you find a new home within a specific time frame. This way we can secure a buyer for your home and you don't have to sell your home unless you find the home of your dreams. This is a great option because there is so much less stress this way. You won't feel like you have to choose a home that you don't absolutely love, and this is going to make your offer on your replacement property look so much stronger since you're already in escrow. My point is that I have solutions and I am the queen of thinking outside of the box. I wouldn't want you to do anything that I wouldn't do myself. My goal is for the sale of your home to be fun and exciting, and I want you to be able to look forward to what's next. There are so many things to consider and so many questions that we have to ask in order to cover all of our bases and help protect you and the sale of your most important asset. Give me a call if you have any questions or even if you would just like to strategize some scenarios. I would be more than happy to help, and I look forward to hearing from you.